dapat siya ay katabi ng kulay pink. Lagay mo ito sa pattern natin. How about the other color green? Magawa ulit ng T. Good job. How about the next one? We have the light blue. Where's your light blue C? Go. Sige, okay lang yan. Hanggang alas 6 pa naman tayo dito. At ang W. Let's start the word Shiloh. Let's start the word Shiloh. Naunang player. Kailangan po rin natin galingan para may ulat ang echo. And last West for Shiloh. Salvo Shiloh lumaki. Jolly, like our best friend.